This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson sqft. New construction home 2,528 square feet, 4 bedrooms 2.5 bathrooms plus office, in Lynden will be finished in mid-August. Great floor plan plus office and primary bedroom on the main floor, with walk-in closet, primary bath with soaking tub and tiled walk-in shower west/glass shower door, a private slider to the back deck. Large and open kitchen with soft closet cabinets and granite countertops, walk-in pantry. Open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and gas fireplace in your living room with a double sliders to access your covered back deck. Deck spans the length of house and back. 3 bedrooms upstairs with one extra large one that could be a second living room. Room for a road to back for shop or auto. Photos are of same house style but buyer can pick out colors. For more information, review the details below.